New technologies are often faced with skepticism, especially when they're seeking to outperform the competition. Let's talk about the difference between this common electrical tool called a plug tester and a power mapping kit from Circuit IQ. Both seek to help you identify what circuit a plug is on, but there are some key differences between the two. The breaker finder uses a signal transmitter and can identify one plug at a time. This is good for identifying a single plug, but what about mapping an entire room, an entire house, or entire commercial property? That's where Circuit IQ shines. Even if you have hundreds of plugs on a property, Circuit IQ can capture them all and allows you to use an unlimited number of transmitters called mappers to identify an entire electrical panel at once. What happens when you identify a plug with a standard plug tester? You'll have to write down and keep track of that information, which increases the risk of human error. Wouldn't it be great if there was an app for your smartphone that could automatically store this information? That's where Circuit IQ has got you covered, with free access to our app where you can store, review, edit, and share digital circuit directories. Use the Circuit IQ app to easily review the number of devices on a circuit to ensure no circuits are overloaded. Search for specific rooms or device tags such as GFCI to easily find the circuits you need to isolate to safely get electrical work done. Share your digital circuit directory with contractors so they can quickly find the circuits they're looking for. Renovations often leave outlets unlabeled or mislabeled, which lead to lost time on maintenance activities and potential injuries. Many commercial properties require each outlet to be labeled for maintenance and safety purposes. We've thought about this labor-intensive task and not only created a solution, we implemented an automated label maker to our process. This little plug tester can't generate labels for you, but when you identify an outlet with Circuit IQ Mapper, you can print a label on the spot, showing the panel name and circuit number. This saves time on future maintenance tasks and confirms the accuracy of existing panel cards and labels. What about panel cards to wrap up and complete a job? We automate that too. Easily generate physical panel cards from your digital records using the Circuit IQ app. Make sure your electrical panels are always up to date and looking clean. Your single plug tester can't do that for you. And we don't stop there. We're constantly creating new products to capture every device in an electrical system, including light switch detectors, live line detectors, and control transformers. And when used together, we'll be able to map an entire electrical system in one pass. Check out our other video tutorials for more tips and tricks. And stop guessing, start mapping.